But do you accept that what Russia is doing is an illegal act of aggression? Do you condemn what Russia is doing?
Mark, I am against all military operations. I was against Iraq war. I was against US going into Afghanistan consistently. I'm against military solutions in Ukraine to solve problems. But point I'm trying to make is that long before the store was planned, the purpose of going there were bilateral things. We had nothing to do with it.
But even so, the problem is that the ties you have with Russia and China suggest that you went ahead with that meeting, that human rights are secondary to trade for you. Russia is waging a war on its neighbour, killing civilians. China has a terrible record on human rights, repressing the Uyghurs and other minorities.
Mark, I was elected by 220 million people of Pakistan to serve them. My number one priority is there are 50 million Pakistanis below the poverty line. I was not elected for them to correct all the wrongs that are going on in the world. My responsibility was my country. And so all my relationships, whether it was with China, with the United States, with Russia, were for the benefit of our own people. Listen, in Kashmir, which is a dispute between Pakistan and India, India has violated all United Nations resolutions on Kashmir. They've illegally taken away the rights of the Kashmiri people and basically got rid of the statehood. Now, did anyone speak against it? The atrocities going on in Kashmir, 100,000 people in Kashmir have died. Has anyone condemned India for that? No, because India is an ally. Allow us to be neutral too so that we can look after our own people. Absolutely not. क्या हम कोई गुलाम हैं कि जो आप कहेंगे हम कर लें?